Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu reports, my uncle Hazrat Anas bin Nadr could not participate in Ghazwa Badr. He submitted to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I was not present in the first holy war which you fought against the polytheists. If Allah Jalla Jalaluhu blesses me with a chance to fight with the polytheists, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will definitely show you what I will do. When the day of battle of Uhud approached and some Muslims could not stand firm in the battlefield, he invoked Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. पीछे से पढ़ रहा हूँ दोबारा. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I express my disinterest in what some of our companions have done and denounce what these polytheists have done. Then he moved ahead and came across Hazrat Sa'ad bin Mu'adh. He said, O Sa'ad bin Mu'adh, paradise by the Lord of Nadr. I am perceiving the fragrance of paradise from that side of Uhud. Hazrat Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu would tell the Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what he did, heroic deeds, is out of my capacity. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, after the war, when we found him, after embracing martyrdom, there were more than 80 swords, arrows, and spears gashes on his body. We found him martyred, and the polytheists had mutilated him, due to which nobody could identify him. Only his sister identified him by the tips of the fingers. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, we think or conjecture that these words, among Muslims are men who have made true the covenant they had made with Allah, has been revealed in favor of him or the other people like him. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 2805.